Hey everyone, welcome to this week's tip. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about MailerLite. So believe it or not, I just switched from ConvertKit, a paid program, to MailerLite, a free program, because I liked it better. I know it sounds crazy, but I was testing out MailerLite for a client and I got so excited about what I saw. I was like, oh, why am I not using this? So here you can see the dashboard once you log in and sign up. And like I said, it's totally free for up to 1,000 subscribers. And you can send as many emails as you like. So the first thing you want to do when you get into MailerLite is create your groups. So you want to go to subscribers and create your groups. So here you see I have all my groups set up. And just for fun today, we're going to go ahead and add a new group. We're going to call this My Amazing Customers. So we're going to go ahead and create the group. Okay, so now that the group is set up, what we can do is go ahead and go to forms. So you have different options with forms. You can do pop-ups, you can do landing pages, and you can do embedded forms. I love their landing pages. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to show you real quick how to set up a landing page. So we're going to go Amazing Clients. Just give it a name. And then you want to select the group that it goes to. So in this case, it goes to My Amazing Clients. So anyone that signs up on this page will automatically be put into this group. And you can select multiple groups if you like as well. So these are the different templates that they have, and they're very drag and drop, so you can change things around too. So let's see here. Which one do I want to play with today? I'm going to go ahead and go with this e-course one. And you can preview it and check it out. And like I said, you can change a lot of this around. So there's a lot of different things that you can do. So I'm going to go ahead and use this template. And then all you need to do here is click on it, and you can edit different images. You can change the image. Let's see. No, that's not what I want. This one will work. And you have links up here. So you can change all of this. And again, it's drag and drop. So if I don't want this section, I can just delete it. Save, and let's say I want to add a button in here that maybe wasn't there before. I can go ahead right in and do that. Same with hero. So you can play around with this. You can essentially build everything on your own. You don't even need to use their templates. And then it'll also create a thank you page that matches your landing page. So you can change things here. So I'm just going to say we're done just for fun. Don't you love my lovely design? And then here you can change the URL, and there's actually a way that you can change it so it's not subscribe page, but you can change it to your own website. So I can say amazing-customers, and I can share this link, and then you can update your SEO as well. So amazing customers. Then you can add in your keywords, your description for the page. If you want to make sure you click this little button that says it allows search engines to index this page as well. And then you can also change how it looks on Facebook as well. So you can add an image so that anytime anyone shares it on Facebook, it'll always look the same. Ta-da! Now, this is something you want to take a look at. I like to take off the double opt-in because for me, I feel like my people who are signing up, they don't want to go in and check their email, confirm, and go through. So I turn off the double opt-in, but that's totally up to you. In theory, you want the double opt-in on so that you're not getting robots or fake people or anything like that. And that's how to set up a form. Okay, so now that I have this form, what I can do is I can set up an automation. So here I'm going to create a new workflow. And I'm going to give it a name, Amazing Customers. And then right here, this is going to be, you want to select the trigger as when they join a group, and then select your group. Now, if you click this little reactivate the full workflow for subscribers who rejoin, this will send it to people who are already in there as well. So you want to be careful about that. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and add an email in here. You want to add a subject, thank you. Design the email. And again, same situation. They have templates you can use. You can also go ahead and use some recent emails, but like if you're looking to send something holiday-ish, these are cute. They have different shopping things. Like you have so many different options in here for things that you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do this really cute little Christmas one because I'm really excited about Christmas. Oh, I like the snowman. Definitely using the snowman. There we go. And again, like I said, it's drag and drop. So if I don't want the snowman, although I don't know why you wouldn't want the snowman, you can always change him. Here you have the animals, and then a little, like you can change this around. You can add your different links and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm done. Obviously, this isn't a real workflow because I'm not going to be sending my new customers a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays letter when they sign up. But you get the idea. And then let's say I wanted to send an email the next day. I just want to hit delay and tell it how many days to wait. And then I can add another email and so on and so forth. So once you've got this all built out, you just want to make sure that you put on and you're good to go and it's sending. So now, as you know, every Monday I like to send a new newsletter to you guys with the different information. So if I want to do that, you can just go to create campaigns. And this works too if you're doing challenges and stuff like that. It's actually, if you're doing a challenge that's like, or an event that's run on specific days, I would recommend setting them up as campaigns, not as automations. Like you can automate the first email that gives them all their info and all that good stuff. But after that, I would do a campaign. So if the event starts on Tuesday, have the first email scheduled to go out on Tuesday, so on and so forth. So for right now, I'm just going to show you how to set up a regular campaign. So welcome to the family. And then yes. So you can add the subject, add who it's from. And again, you have the gallery to choose from, or you can use their drag and drop. Let me show you their drag and drop editor real quick. So again, this is using kind of my standard form, but you can change this image to something else. This one looks cool. And then you can add an image and text. You can add dividers. You can add a gallery. Hey, where'd my gallery go? Of images, like you can add in just regular text. You can add in a really cool title. Like you can have a lot of fun building this out. So it's very, very simple. And once you're done, you just want to hit done editing. And then select who you want it to go to. So in this case, I'm going to have it go to my amazing customers. And then click review and confirm. Fine, at least one on there. And then I can send myself a test email. I can preview it. I can make sure I can see who it's going out to. I'm the only one on that group, so it's okay. And then I can send it now. I can send it later. And then this is another option where you can deliver based on time zones. This one's a little bit trickier. They use basically the time, the IP address of when they signed up to determine what time zone they're in. I haven't really done this. I just send mine to go out at the same time, depending on what campaign I'm running, but that one's a pretty cool one to check out. And then you can also use Google Analytics to track your links. And hit send. Sorry, deliver based on time zones, and then they want an actual time. Just kidding. So that's a little bit about MailerLite. Oh my gosh. And if you come to their dashboard, it's really cool. They show you how many people signed up. It gives you your total open rate and click rate for the month. It shows you how many people signed up over the last month, how many emails you sent. So there's some really cool reports in here too. So that is a little bit about MailerLite. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. See you next week.